Aloha guys, welcome to another tutorial here in Photoshop. My name is Jayla Scanlon. Today we're going to be we're creating content pages for our website. So as you can see, we're going to have this standard background, and that's going to be pretty much the look of our website. This is for mine and this is for demonstration purposes. Right now, this is just really basic, really quick. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, and then as I'm creating these slices, so say this is going to be the home page. If I just wanted to have some text or whatever on there, I can easily just grab a text box and just, write an introduction. That's a bit too big. Let's make that smaller. Very small. Okay. Oh, I guess we were in the wrong. Let's see. Okay, let's grab our text again. Okay, just blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, so we have our text right here. You can size that up and make it bigger and all that kind of stuff, whatever you want to do. So this is just for demonstration. So this is a content page right here that we want to say for maybe our index page. So for our main home page, so right at home, we just want to have this blah 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 there, and we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices. Sorry. So what we're going to do is going to go File, Save for Web and Devices. Now this is very important. Whenever you're going to select your slices, let's make sure we just click on the bottom right here where it says 100%, click Fit to Screen. That way you can see all your slices. Now as you highlight the slices, make sure that your preset is set to PNG24. We want to make sure that all of them are PNG. The reason being it allows for transparency and makes it a lot easier to see when you put it on the web. So if we save, we want to make sure that it says HTML and images. Now we want to look for the folder that we created. I made a new one because this is for content pages purposes. So scan web, that's what we're going to save it as. And for this one, we're just going to call it home. Okay. So click save. Now we'll wait for this to be finished. Now when I actually go to scan web and check out the images, let's just see what we have here. So right now we have a home HTML page and we have some images. So these are all the different slices. Now these are what we're going to be referencing to in Dreamweaver, and I'll show you how to do that a little later on. But this is for our home page. So now we know that this images folder is going to be for our home page. Now that we're back in Photoshop, we can go and grab the slice tool and we can actually make some adjustments. Now say we wanted to insert a video that was, say, a little bit smaller or so, we can actually restart some of these. We can delete some of these slices by right clicking. Make sure you hover over the number, right click, you can delete slices. Also, another thing is if you right click, you can edit slice options. Now let me show you something really cool that you can do, or you can even divide slices, and you can divide them horizontally, and they actually you can see it previewed in the bottom here as you're dividing them. So as you're dividing, you can kind of see how you can very easily just set up 6 different slots for, say, graphics or for some videos, whatever you'd like to place in there. Let's cancel that. What we want to do is we want to actually delete this. Let's see. Delete this slice, and we want to delete the slice. We want to pretty much start from scratch with this. So we have our top slice. We want to keep that normal. Actually, we want to maybe adjust this a little bit more. and let's drag this down. So we're going to resize this, and the reason being is because I'm going to make another content page, and this is going to be for video, and so I want the video to be a certain size. So as you can see, as I'm slicing it up, it's actually going to be a certain width and height. So let me just finish slicing this. So 1, 2, 3. Let's say I want my video right in the middle. As you can see, I'm already creating the dimensions for my video. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, but now we have this for different content. And one thing to note, because I'm going to be importing a video, if you go here to edit slice options, you can actually see the width and the height. You want to copy these down, and I will show you what you can do with that, because when you save your width and your height, when it comes time to import your video into this section, it will fill up that slot according to the dimensions that you added, and that's very important if you want to have, you know, your video as a different content page. Also, we don't want this blah 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 here, so we can actually turn it off, and now we have a second content page which will be for our video. Also, one thing that I did do is whenever I clicked on a different link, it always highlighted something. So say this is the video page, that means we want this video, this link up here, we want it to look a bit different from everything else. So if we scroll down and we go to videos, you can double click, and if you remember our layer styles, you can actually start tweaking this up. What I did was I added a color overlay and I made it white. You know, you could play around, but let's just do this just for basic, and then added a drop shadow, and very easily I have created my video content page. Now we do the same thing. We go to File, Save for Web and Devices. Okay, make sure that all these right here are PNG 24 fit on screen. PNG 24, yes, all of them seem to be fine. And then we want to save, and also what we want to do is we want to save HTML images, and we want to call this video, and then save that. And when it's done, okay, let's go back to our desktop, look for our folder. Oops. Scan web, so video, home, and in our images we have, as you can see, video, video, home, home, home. And so these we will reference in our Dreamweaver so that we can see the different content pages. But you can see how very easily we can tweak and remove these slices, and you know, create all these different pages that we want for our website. So you can have a video page, and then also you can, you know, remove that and create another page where, I don't know, maybe you'd like 3 videos instead. So maybe if we tweak this one right here, and let's undo that, and maybe move that in like so, and this one also. That way now you can have 3 videos. You know, it's up to you. You can play around with this, but very easily we have created different content pages, and in the next tutorial I'll show you how you can import those into Dreamweaver and get that set up for your website. Thank you for watching. My name is Jayla Scanlon, and we will see you in the next tutorial.